This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by John King. Better than new construction home without the wait. This beautiful end-unit townhouse-style condo is great for those looking for quality construction and all of the bells and whistles you would expect in a 2020 build, maintenance-free living, and an incredible well-designed and planned-out community. Community amenities include clubhouse, pool, fitness center, playgrounds and dog park. Community marina, club, docks, boat tie-off and beach access are also available. Set up your showing today to avoid future disappointment and regret. For more information, review the details below.